Hello everyone, I'm Rahul Bane from Mumbai. I'm pursuing Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science from St. Francis Institute of Technology. Currently, I'm working as a Java developer at Innerwork Solutions Private Limited. My roles and responsibilities are writing well-designed, testable, efficient code by using best software development practices, creating website layout user interface by using HTML CSS practices, integrating data from various backend services and database, gathering and refining specifications and requirements based on technical needs, creating and maintaining software documentation, to be responsible for maintaining, expanding, and scaling our site, staying plugged into emerging technologies, industry trends, and applying them into operation, to cooperate with web designers to match visual design intent. I am very delighted to be a part of this company. Thank you, Innerworks.